Woo, salapulesa, igo kufumba. Mwanamba salapulesa, igo kufumba. Salapulesa. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Carlton. I know it has been a while. Life has been crazy. We're in the middle of a panorama. Favorite word, but I hope you all are hanging in there and got vaccinated. I feel so good. A little ish here and there, but 2021 so far is good. We're in February, month of love. Time for some Valentine's. Truthfully speaking, I didn't know that's how they say it nowadays. I'm trying to keep up with no cap, sass. So many new terms that are making me feel old. But you know what? That is not what we're getting into today, huh? Let me first show off my feet. Bringing back the 90s, right? I know. So, yeah. Today we are gonna be cooking Akatoggo and enjoy. So I went over to my favorite store to look for beans, and you can use any beans for Akatoggo, but I specifically want red kidney beans and some cassava. That's not the cassava I was gonna use because at times it comes out sour, so I decided to use already packed cassava frozen. And these are spices, with the salt in there. And the special ingredient we're going to use is tuna ghee from tunacrafts.com. So first you soak your beans for an hour. You wash and soak your beans for an hour so that they can soften. Yeah, at times, you can put them to boil as soon as, but I prefer to wash and soak them, give them a good wash. These beans are dirty. They've been made through so many hands, and I know you're going to boil them at 100 degrees, but it doesn't hurt to give them a good wash. So yeah, these are beans after a good soak, and I've salted them. From Uganda, it is proven that when you boil beans in salt, they cook faster. So yes, you cover your beans and boil them. And yeah, this is the yuca, aka cassava, called yuca in America. But yeah, you know what? We're not going to get into that politics. And yeah, you chop them into bite-sized pieces, as you can see I'm doing here. Yeah, chop them into glory. And the good thing about cassava, it doesn't shrink or like get any bigger. Like it just stays the same. So this is magical. Yeah, look at that. Minimum for dry beans is an hour and a half for cooking. And keep adding water. You don't let them burn. And press if they soften, if they're all softened, and if they're not floating, they are ready. So yeah, add your cassava in there. Yeah, add your glory of the Lord. Yeah. And yeah, fold to make sure all the cassava is soaked in the bean soup. Not all, because when you cover, the moisture is going to cook the cassava that isn't soaked. So yeah, so you make sure you cover. Yes. So yes, these are the vegetables we're gonna use. Just an onion and 2 tomatoes, large onion. You never go wrong with onions. Like I can use from 1 to 3. Like yeah, so two two spoons of cooking oil. Throw in your onions. Please don't let them burn. Just caramelize them. Let them brown. Mm, get that flavor. Yeah, saute them and add your tomatoes. Yes. Mm-mm. I'm just so happy, this looks amazing. I did a good job. I am really proud of the cook that I became. Like, look at that. Yo, what? Mm-mm. So, yeah, add your spices. I didn't have fresh garlic, so I used garlic powder. So, garlic powder is in there. Add your spices. Yeah, look at that. This is beautiful, you guys. The color, the texture, and best of all, the smell. It smells so amazing. You know, paprika with curry. Oof. Yum, yum, yum. So, yeah, saute until the tomatoes soften. Mm-hmm. And yeah, love, love, love this. This episode is from February. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was just waiting for fresh ghee. And when I got it, I was like, let me share it, you know. And yeah, this is a paid episode. Yeah, I know. By chonacraft.com, you can find everything African on there, right? You know, I need to learn how to do ads, but you'll get it. I'm doing a good job with this cooking, and yeah. So back to food. You simmer your Akatoggo, then you fold it in. Do not stir, you fold it. This is what they call folding. You fold your fried ingredients in. Yeah. This is what they call cooking with love, y'all. Look at that color. Yeah, that's turmeric. Mm-hmm. Giving the food a little pop. Pop, 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 pop. Ratatata. Yes. Ah, such a beautiful day to be happy, y'all. It's such a beautiful day to have good food. Mm, mm. Yum, yum, yum. But yes, keep on with the folding. Mm-hmm. You test the salt. Mm-hmm. Yeah, salt is good. Yeah. Simmer it and cover, cover and simmer, you know. And when you are going to serve, the good thing about this ghee is that it's already cooked, so like it doesn't need to cook on high for a very long time. So when you're going to serve your food, I put 1 spoonful of chona ghee. Yes, please. 1 spoonful of that glory. Hallelujah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm, mm, mm. Y'all, this smells so amazing. It smells so amazingly good. Mm. Then you turn it off. You turn off your stove, your cooker, your burner. You turn it off. Please don't serve right away because it is way too hot. Serve after 15 minutes of it being on the stove covered. And yeah, these are portion sizes for the guests. I invited to test this wonderful goodness. You all can guess which was my portion. Wow, Carlton. Jokako Jolu Simbi. But yes, mm, 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 mm. Remember, lower your heat after after you have fried. Lower your heat to like 4 so that it doesn't burn. Yeah, it can burn quickly if it cooks on high after you have fried it. So yes, look at this with a garnish of avocado. So I hope you all tried it out, and you give me a shout out when you do. You know,